My goodness, this man has so many pears. These are the two fawns. They still have their spots. They're starting to disappear. Granddaddy was here yesterday, 2 8-points. Yeah, those are your uncles. Their mother is down under the apple tree. We have apples too, that's where she's at. And two fawns are up here underneath the pear tree. They're coming every night now. They struggle trying to bite through those. They have vegetation mouths, going up to a branch and eating. So trying to pick up a pear is quite challenging.